Hi friends, this video shows how to take backup of all data to laptop or pen drive before hard reset or factory reset. First go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system you can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. From this list let me select USB debugging. I am going to enable this USB debugging or ADB debugging. Done. After that let me go to this laptop. Here in this laptop I need to install one tool, this ADB tool. You can download this zip file from internet, then extract it, and here you can see adb.exe. From this path we need to open command prompt. I already opened command prompt here. See, from this command prompt we can run adb commands. Before that we need to connect this laptop to TV or this device using USB cable. See, I already connected this laptop to TV. After that you can click here, then you can check for this USB icon. If you see this USB icon, that means you have successfully connected this laptop to TV or that device. Next I am going to trigger backup command. Here you can see a lot of commands, but in this video we will be concentrating only on these two commands, backup and restore. This is a backup command. This will take backup of all files from this TV, then store into this backup.ab file. Let me copy this command. Go to command prompt, copy, go to command prompt, paste here, enter. Here you can see one white screen. Go down, go to bottom right corner, select backup my data. See, backup starting. Please wait. Okay, backup finished. Let me check this backup file, backup.ab. Go to this folder. Here you can see backup.ab. Here you can see the size. After this backup, if you want, you can trigger hard reset or factory reset. Then later we can restore data from this file. Next I will show you how we can restore. Again, go to this test file. Here you can see the restore command, adb restore, then name of that backup.ab file. Let me copy this. Go to command prompt, paste, enter. Again you can see the white screen. Go to bottom right corner, set restore my data. See, restore starting. Okay, restore ended. So this way we can backup all data to laptop or USB flash drive. From laptop you can copy this backup.ab file to USB flash drive or SSD, external SSD disk. Then later you can restore. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.